Hi. Hello. Look at you posing. Look at that face. Look at those teeth. You want to go get somebody from the... This can't be good. You want to go... You say that the African Samson tipped himself over. Samson! What are you doing? What are you doing, silly boy?